So, as you know, this moped, it broke a while ago and it just stopped running. And this right here, we thought the engine was blown up because this would make crunching noises. But it sounded like that was from inside the motor. But it turns out that crunching noise was just the plastic that covers the flywheel on the other side.
Yeah, that's plastic.
So it's actually fine. And so what we need to do is, it's still, there's still a few problems with it. So we need to replace the carb. And then the transmission, it's not right. See, when this turns, it's not supposed to be spinning this. It's only supposed to be once it gets, fast enough. So we need to fix that. So first we're going to put in the new carb and then figure out the transmission.
Wow, that's way better than the last one.
Yeah. It's got, let's see. It's got the stuff that's missing on here, so yeah, should be good. It's actually got a working electric choke, unlike the last one, I believe. Okay. Hey guys.
It's like amazing.
Man, heavy. Oh, I forgot about that. Doesn't. Oh wait, what's it called? It's not on. Dang it, this is gonna take forever. I wish we would have electric. It's stupid because this thing doesn't come back up.
Yeah.
You know what we should just do?
What?
Get the jump pack and put power straight to your starter.
Snug, and they're all in the same area as the other one. I don't have a coat on, I'm mad cold.
Where's the vacuum? It's not even attached.
It isn't?
No.
Oh my gosh. Well, that's our problem. There. Why is it we always finish our projects at night?
I don't know.
It's like always that.
just a us thing.
There, so the vacuum's attached now?
Yep.
Ooh, there you go.
That clip won't come out.
Alright, just caught it. Hey! What do you mean it won't come out?
It's stuck in there. Let me see that.
Hold the brake. Alright, I got it. Feels like Karen. So in the end, the Keeway Hurricane, it ended up, we got it to stay running, but the Kickstarter system was not, there's still something wrong with that, so we're going to have to fix that. I was riding it and it stopped, suddenly it just shut off, and we saw that the spark plug, there was a metal piece came out of where the spark plug attaches, and we can't get it to have spark right now, so that is more work to do in the future. But right now it's winter and there's really nowhere to ride it anyway. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe if you enjoyed it. Thanks.